Hello everyone, welcome to the past paper discussion. We are in 11th question of the series. Again, a simpler question we have here. So it's just a conversion of units and it's going to be a multiplication of whole number and a decimal. Let's get started. Convert 7 gallons to liters. Use 1 gallon equal to 4.5 liters. So one value of 1 is given, many. So 1 to many, it's a multiplication. First, we need to find that. 1 is given, we need to find many. So 1 to many is multiplication. Then it's a whole number, like you can multiply 7 times 4.5 and 4 times 5 times 7, both are same. So let's multiply this. So 7 gallons will be equal to 4.5 times 7, because the multi-digit, if you place it first, that's simple. And how will you multiply 4.5? Keeping the decimal and ignoring the decimal. Two ways there. Let's do the first way. By keeping the decimal as it is, 4.5 by 7. 7 should be placed on the ones place. Right? So placing this is important. Then as usual, 7 times 5, 35. We will place the 5 here and 3 should get carry forwarded. But this time 3 is crossing a decimal. So first you copy the decimal, line up this, and then you put the 3. So don't forget, that's why. So 7 times 4, then it's 28. We have a 3 over there. So add the 3, which is 31. And place it correctly, 1 and 3. That's it. So 7 gallons is 31.5 liters. And some of you might feel keeping the decimal might cause some error. So ignoring the decimal part also we can do. So that's the method too you can take. Only the multiplication way is different. So 4.5 times 7 is what I need to multiply. You ignore the decimal and just multiply the normal numbers. When you ignore the decimal, it's just like a whole number multiplication. 45 times 7. Let's multiply this. 7 times 5 is 35. 3 here. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3, 31. So this is 315. Now our decimal will be waiting at the last. Now I ignore the decimal. At the final step, I need to introduce it back. So for that, you should count how many decimal places you have. So 1 place. So it should move 1 place to the left. You should get it back in 31.5. So, but in the simpler case, first method will be very easy. But yeah, whichever way you find it easy, you can use that. And that simple question, yes. So we're gonna meet in another video with yet another different question. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.